Hello, thank you for joining me in another section of our video. You are highly welcome. How to use squash leaf for 6.5 kg broilers in 8 weeks. Industry secret exposed. Are you a poultry farmer? Are you aiming at 6.5 and above in your broiler farming within a short period of time? This particular video is good for you. Are you a farmer and you don't have money to buy our Eco Bio Booster, which is the organic combo that will give you maximum result in your poultry farming in a short period of time? This particular leaf, green squash leaf, is good for you. Watch the video of how green squash leaf looks like. You have it in your environment. This most of the times, this is a vegetable. It grows around their home. It's just like a substitute to plug fluted pumpkin. Most people use it in place of fluted pumpkin. It is a very wonderful vegetable. In this particular video, you are going to learn a lot. This greenish, colorful vegetable is wonderful in poultry farming and in boosting your poultry growth because it has a lot of vitamins and minerals that can give you maximum weight within a short period of time. Are you looking for this maximum weight right away? Are you tired of slow growing broilers and high feed costs? In this video, you're going to discover how these green squash leaves and fruit waste can help you raise broilers up to 6.5 kg in 8 weeks. You will also learn the key vitamins, minerals, and medicinal properties of this particular plant, and this combination with other plants also, how it boosts weight, cut disease risk, and reduces production cost. All 100% organic, practical, and farmer tested. It is a tested combo that you can use to make impact in your poultry farming. Relax and watch it the end. Let's get to the main topic. Green squash leaf or vegetable, also known as zucchini or courgette, is in some regions widely consumed by humans. Yes, we consume it here also, but its leaf and fruit waste are powerful natural enhancer for poultry production. Instead of throwing them away, these plants and its waste can be turned into a growth booster and immune strengthener for broilers and other poultry and livestock animals. This video will review to you how this often wasted plant holds the key to rapid weight gain, maximum immune booster, and better feed conversion and natural disease resistance, helping you achieve up to 6.5 kg of broiler in just 8 weeks. Are you interested in this particular topic? Why not give you the thumb up right away with this simple introduction? And if you have a comment, please, if you don't know what to write, thank you is good enough. Please, if you don't have even money to subscribe to our channel membership, at least you don't need money to say thank you for this particular topic. It takes time and resources to bring this to you, to expose all the secret to you. Let me start with 12 top vitamins and minerals and medicinal health benefits of green squash leaf, the juice and its fruit waste in poultry and livestock health. 1, it has vitamin A. Vitamin A supports healthy vision, skin, and boost immunity of your poultry and livestock animal. The immune system will be stronger to resist every infections and diseases. It has vitamin C, which strengthens immunity, reduces stress, and promotes healing. It has vitamin K, which aids blood clotting and supports bone health, most especially for your laying bed. It has calcium also, which promotes bone growth and reduces leg weakness in broilers. It has magnesium, which enhances muscle development and enzyme function. It has iron, which boosts blood oxygen supply and prevents anemia in poultry and livestock animals and promote their weight. It has potassium, which regulates fluid balance and reduces heat stress impact in poultry. It has zinc, which promotes healthy feeding and boosts growth hormones and their functions in poultry and livestock animals. It has natural fiber. Remember that fiber is one of the ingredients in making poultry feed. It aids digestion and improves gut microbiome and health. It has antioxidants like lutein and beta-carotene, which fight internal inflammations and stress damage. It has antiparasitic properties, which helps clear intestinal worms and naturally boosts their health system. It has natural detoxifying agent which flushes out toxins and support liver function and other organ functions in poultry and livestock animals, making their internal organs working effectively well. Are you a poultry farmer? Do you want to make use of all this particular grass and get this maximum weight in your broiler farming? To harness all these benefits effectively, you must prepare and apply the juice and eat fruit waste correctly. So in this particular video, I will guide you also on the steps you are going to use to get this ready for your poultry and livestock animals. What do you need to do? First, gather a handful of this particular leaf or grass or whatever you call it in your area, or vegetable. This vegetable most of the times grow on itself because the seed can easily germinate. The seed survives any environment, any soil. So that's why they always grow. And if they start growing, they crawl all over their fence, all over the environment, because many people don't like eating it. But it is sweet and tasty vegetable that many people likes. After gathering it, because this vegetable always crawl on the floor, most of the time sand and every dirt will fill with it. So what we do is wash it thoroughly, more than 2 times or 3 times. If possible, add salt, add enough salt, and use salt to wash it properly. After washing it, the next thing you do is, because it's always broad, the leaf is always broad, wide in nature, cut it into smaller pieces and pound it very well. Pound it if you have mortar and pestle, or you have blender. Put it in your blender and blend that quantity you need. Blend it thoroughly. After blending it, the next thing is use 2 liters of water, pour inside and extract the juice very well. After extracting the juice, the next thing you do is, after extracting the juice, remove the waste. The waste is still useful. You can still serve the waste to your poultry birds. They will still eat it. They will even run around with it because they like it. Then the juice is what you need now. After feeding them, the next thing is add the juice to 10 liters of water. Then add extra water to get it filled up. Use it and serve to your poultry birds. Birds of day old till maturity can take this, because this is purely organic. It is natural. It has a lot of vitamins and minerals which you have known now that can help you to grow the healthiest broiler weight and maximum health within a short period of time. The secret of faster growing birds and healthy broilers is not in expensive commercial products. No, it is in nature. Organic, green squash leaves and fruit waste are cost effective. They are natural growth enhancers, and they are not harmful to poultry, even to human. They save money for you and also improve poultry and broiler health and gives you market weight within a short period of time. If you are ready to stop wasting money and start winning in poultry farming, this is your breakthrough time. Try it and apply it in your poultry. Share this and your results in the comment section. If you have tried it before, share your experience. Let us get to know. If you know about this particular plant, share your thoughts also. Let us know. Drop your comments and subscribe to the channel. Activate the bell notification. Make sure you subscribe to our both channels. We have 2 channels, the THEPOULTRYSITETV and Dr. Leo Charles. This is 2 channels we have. All the channels will treat only poultry and livestock animals. How to maximize your profit, most especially using organic waste, something that is wasted, you can convert it into wealth. Converting waste in agriculture into wealth in agriculture to maximize your income. This is what will help you to do. Share and subscribe, comment, and at the same time like the video. Till the next video is uploaded in the next channel, subscribe there so that you get the video. Thank you for watching and remain blessed. Do your best also to subscribe to our channel membership. Be a part of this system, a member of this particular channel, so that anytime you have an issue in your poultry and livestock animal, you'll be free to ask your questions and I will attend to you no matter the time. You can send us message and we'll reply to you. Once we confirm that you're a channel member, any question you ask will be answered. If you're not a channel member, you have the title to watch our videos free. But to get technical questions concerning your poultry and livestock animals, you must be our channel members or you consult us for that, for business. And if you're as a channel member, you also have discount on all our products, like Eco Braille Booster, this Feed Booster and others. Thank you till then. Bye.